Say when.
Ready.
Purpose of this video is to demonstrate the Orwak 5031E trash compactor. I'm going to go through it. Basically, we're going to run some test cycles and show you how the whole system works all together. First, we start with the operator control panel. It's a start-stop button. Also, an emergency stop button that if anything were to happen that you need to stop in an emergency, you can stop in an emergency. Release it and we'll continue to cycle. Cycles down, cycles in about 30 seconds, top to bottom. As it's doing this, you'll see it's compacting into a drum which is 20 by 28 in size. The bag obviously wraps around the outside to protect any of the compaction material that you're compacting inside. Head lifts up, slides back, all the way back, and you load material directly into the 20 by 28 inch load opening. It's important to understand that when you do slide this forward, that will lock into place, cannot start or stop unless it is fully in place. Guard for safety and protection for pinch points, things to that nature. Again, once you load, you will compact. As you compact, and fill the chamber to the point where you have enough material in to unload, you will then change the process. As you can see, that's pushing all the way down to the bottom. Yeah, plastic air being squished out, so we condense. Inside the chamber there are what they call dog ears, which maybe we can get a picture of, that will help hold the material down. One note to mention as well, if you are baling if you want to bale commodities inside the chamber, these baling ties would be for baling only. You either have to bag or bale. It's one or the other, but you do have the option. Cardboard would be a primary example of where you could load cardboard and bale the cardboard without using the bag. Still using the chamber as your compaction point though. So that would be the sole purpose for the cross bales. Okay, so we've loaded. We're now ready to empty. So what we do is we pull it forward. There is a valve foot switch that releases the pressure that is built up from the compaction of the material. And then you just switch the lever. And what will happen is that foot lever will now release the head. Now, as we lower the cylinder will travel down. Once the cylinder hits material, it will raise this up to then push the compacted material outside the bottom. As you see it happening now. So, now your bag your machine is fully raised. The compacted material is in the bag. At this point, we would collect the bag, bring it forward. This is our standard bag lifter. This will prevent your employees from having to lift any bags. We will then take the compacted material, slide it onto the bag lifter, and tie off with our tie tool and our wire around, roll this out to the dumpster or wherever you need it to go, and then dump it into Gaylord's. Upon doing that, you simply reload an additional bag and lower the machine down to the original start position, lock the handle, and repeat the process. Runs on single phase 110 power, and I think that's about it. Thank you for your time, and we appreciate the business.